बट वर्किंग एट डीसी
Yeah.
आपने काफी प्लेयर्स को क्लोजली देखा है,
Yes.
तो क्या आपका कभी ऐसा कोई मोमेंट था कि कुछ ऑफ फील्ड पर्सनालिटी से आप प्लेयर्स के थोड़ा सरप्राइज हुए हो, या फिर जैसा आपने सोचा वैसी थी नहीं एक्चुअली वो?
Off the camera.
Yeah, no, of course. So what I felt, I was working as a fan engagement consultant. We met the players 2 or 3 times. So every season they had a proper fan and player meet and greet. So the players come in, they meet all the fans, they are selected fans. So that half an hour, is like a reward for everything that we do for that season. And sometimes it was not easy because matches finish at 11:30, then we have a couple of hours work to do, and sometimes it does turn into कि भाई हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, या this is not what I've signed up for exactly. But that half an hour, 1 hour with players, Akshar Patel, and we saw everyone. So 10-11 of players turned up with the mains coaching staff. Ricky Ponting was there. I forgot who was the bowling coach. Saurav Ganguly was there. There was a bowling coach. I think James Hopes was there. So James Hopes भी I remember हम जब छोटे थे 2009-10 में दिल्ली डेयरडेविल्स के लिए खेलता था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए खेलता था. So when I was a huge cricket buff while I was young. हाँ, बाकी स्पोर्ट्स में अभी फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. So that moment of seeing the players, Rishabh Pant, we had all that GABA experience, what he done. ऐसे normally चल रहा है हमारे सामने, जैसे हम लोग अभी बैठे हुए हैं. That was the like the distance. Another thing, you are not allowed to click pictures. So we used to go to the Kotla for match days -1 and match days -2.
क्या होता है एक बार explain कर दो.
Yeah, sure. So what happens is for every schedule आता है this year, so 7 home games every team. This year Delhi played their first 2 home games in Visakhapatnam, so that went most of the team traveled. I did not. I'm very sad about it. Delhi Capitals, you should have sent me as well. but I was here in Delhi, so when the home leg returned to Delhi, there were 3 matches in a single week. I remember the dates still: 20th April, 24th April, 27th April.
Plus this time काफी सारे मैचेस तो विशाखापट्टनम में भी हो गए थे ना?
Yeah, 2 of them. Yeah, 2 of them. And so the reason was apparently the WPL happened, and they said that the pitch can't be ready enough. But if you remember, the WPL final happened on 17th March. I remember the dates very well because at those times that's all we cared for. The first Delhi home game was supposed to be in 31st of March. So usually in my experience of cricket pitches and all, 2 weeks are enough for a pitch to get back to its original shape. But unfortunately 31st March and 2nd April were the first 2 home games for Delhi, which were played in Visakhapatnam. And when they came back, जैसा कि मैं बता रहा था, first match was against Sunrisers Hyderabad. And the team, and on match days -2 and match days -1, the teams come to practice, right? And we are right where the players pavilion are, right where the player gym is, right where the bus enters come, everyone enters. And I saw Aiden Markram, Pat Cummins and Travis Head. And they're like, no, everyone's normal over there. In India, seeing any cricketer, you're not normal, right? And those guys, let's be honest, Pat Cummins, Travis Head, World Cup winners, Aiden Markram, and they're giants, I consider I am tall, but they were even taller. Travis Head is okay, normal, but Pat Cummins, and there was a Marco Jansen, yes, of course. He's so tall. He's so tall. And those 4 people, वो लोग साथ में ऐसे खड़े हुए थे. एक सेकंड के लिए मुझे लगा था कि guys, I can't care less about the rules over here. I should pick out my phone, have a selfie. But had I been caught doing that, and IPL is strict about that. If you really do things which are not allowed, अब भाई मैंने सोचा पहला सीजन है भाई, अभी घुस रहा हूँ मैं स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री में. I have a long journey to go, so that was interesting.
But हाँ, मैं एक चीज पूछता हूँ कि जो ये दिल्ली कैपिटल्स के प्लेयर्स थे, इसमें से who is the guy who is the most fun off field?
मेरा यही इससे रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चन था.
Akshar Patel.
Okay.
It's not Rishabh Pant.
I was also expecting Rishabh Pant.
So I have not seen Rishabh Pant talk a lot. हम as I said, ऐसे नहीं कि रोज तो नहीं मिलते थे. मैं सीजन में 2-3 बार मिला था. But they are like, you understand the camaraderie between the group. And Delhi Capitals performed okay, right? They ended 5th or 6th, I would say. Till the last week, they were in the contention for playoffs, and playoffs for us meant more work. So we were almost planning what happens if they end up playoffs. end up being in the playoffs. So Delhi Capitals players I have not like ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत अच्छे से जानता था, but when they met you could feel that light natured and you know fun aspect of those players. So that side was pretty evident.
What is so special about Akshay Patel कि आपने उसका नाम लिया?
See, Akshay Patel, you know, he is like, if he is in a room with different people, he breaks the ice very well. You know, he's someone who talks about things in a very fun, normal, and at the end of the day, when you meet cricketers as a fan, no, there is a air of कि भाई वो क्रिकेटर है, मैं फैन हूँ, you know, there's a difference.
सर पे चढ़ा के
Yeah, there's a separation thing there. But when you see these players, and at the end of the day, why do these documentaries work so well? Because at the end of the day, they are humans, and if you get to see that normally, na, it's a very nice experience. And no matter what happens, I hope Delhi Capitals keeps calling me back every IPL, and I get to know more about the players. So
क्या David Warner, is he actually arrogant in real life or is he chill?
So I will answer this with a small anecdote again. So one of the influencers for this year, and every team had a certified influencer, like Rajasthan Royals had that Sardarji, I forgot his name, Ayutaran. Yes. Lucknow had Shubham Gaur. Delhi had that Dil Se Paneer guy. Do you know? Have you heard about him?
I've not heard.
So he's very short. He's actually extremely short, but he was one of the big influencers, and he's like, since as I mentioned, very short. So in the player meet and greet, what happened was it was a small jive. So Delhi Capitals have their own jive, O Dilli Re Tu Roar Macha, you must have heard it. So at the end of it, all the fans and players did the jive, and Dil Se Paneer guy is very short in height, so David Warner picked him up and did the jive with him. So I don't know, someday I'm gonna ask Delhi Capitals for that clip, and you know, you just imagine David Warner picking up someone and doing the jive. He's very fun. He like tried to speak Hindi. We know how active he is with TikTok and all those things. So it was very, very fun. I mean,
please correct me if I'm wrong. वो इंसान कितना एज में कितना होगा वो?
He would be Dil Se Paneer, like he would be 30-35 maybe. But like he's like
so not wrong जो उसने करा है.
But it was fun, man.
I think Warner का इसलिए भी इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि सबके दिमाग में वो पहले वाली इमेज होती है.
हाँ, I think वो सैंडपेपर गेट के बाद से ही चेंज
एकदम चेंज हो गया, ओवरनाइट चेंज हो गया.
I mean, there's a book called Steve Smith's Men, which got published after the Sandpaper Gate, and I read that book. So at that time, it was a huge down period for particularly those two people, David Warner, Steve Smith. After they came back, I felt like Australia became, not that they were any less earlier, but they became an even more potent force for what happened. So, but yeah, off the field, they are like fun.
Do you like reading books?
I love reading books.
क्योंकि मुझसे तो पढ़ा नहीं जाता भाई बिल्कुल.
Yeah, no, but you know, since I started reading sports books, I remember the first autobiography I read was of Ricky Ponting, and it's a very fat book, you know, sorry, it's like 700-800 pages, and I loved reading I love going into stories of people, and of course, if you mentioned what we do at our indie football podcast, we try to dissect stories of people, and because that is available in so much detail in books, I love reading books.
अब सोचो अगर एक क्लिप इतनी बढ़िया थी तो पूरा का पूरा पॉडकास्ट कितना बढ़िया होगा.
तो अगर आपको इसी क्लिप का पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखना है तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करिए, और अगर आपको ऐसे ही और क्लिप्स बिंज वॉच करनी है तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करिए.